Welcome.
So if you look at it, I'm currently in one of the preschool here in my local area. So today I'm going to talk about one of the projects that I'm currently working on, and I'm looking to get all my friends, family, viewers, subscribers support this project. So what I'm currently working on is collecting used IT items, that's including laptop, PC, smartphone, tablets. And if you ask me why I'm collecting all these items, and if you look at the current last, say almost 1 year, a lot of the learning is going into online. That's including studying, tutoring, and a lot of the activities going online. But at the same time, if you look at Sri Lanka and if you look at the access to internet and having access to a computer, it's very less compared to a lot of the other countries. So my aim is to try and increase the usage of computer having access to internet. And you might ask why. The reason is, if you look at it, when we provide access to internet, the usage of computer, we actually move towards the current century, being able to provide access to a basic resource that a lot of the other countries in the Western world we might have without even us realizing it. So what I want to try and do is to collect used IT items that can be used here again, reused, and this concept is came. There's few other organization doing it in African countries or other countries as well. So the aim of this project is to, if you have a used laptop or PC, smartphone, tablet, whatever, and normally we would, recycle it or re-upgrade it in 3 to 4 years times. But the actual life cycle of that is, more than that. So what we want to do is take that from whenever it's not used, and then give it to someone who can make use of it. So, and by doing this, we can create an online learning environment, open access to a lot of the resources where you can self-learn, self-study. You can do a lot of the things that you might not be able to do it without the access to a lot of the resources. So this creates that opportunity for people to think outside the boxes, be more creative, independently, analyze things, access to information where, sometimes we just think, with the limited resource, our knowledge are very narrow. So this will keep up the opportunity for them to learn outside the current knowledge base they might have at the moment. So to do this, what we also now doing with this technology providing and with the current situation is to work with organization, work with local villages where there's a needs of education, needs of support to online learning. What we're planning to do is to build online tutoring services for people where they do not have the funding, financial support or resources. And how we're going to do it, I'm going to explain.
So one of the thing, and I'm so excited about this. So if you look at this particular place, okay, so it's a empty room at the moment, and currently they're teaching preschool kids. What we want to do is to turn this into an online learning center after the preschool time. So the preschool start from morning until 1:30. After 1:30, what we're going to do is have a projector somewhere here, and then have a computer access, internet access. People will line up here. They will they will have a structured classroom from Monday to Friday. That will be math, science, history, whatever you call it. And we're also thinking about getting from overseas to teach English here. Okay, that's for school kids and open age as well. So what we're going to do is convert this into online learning environment, and for us to do that, we need internet access. We already have electricity here. We're going to rent out the space And the third thing we need is a projector and a computer. And this is where we are asking for all your support. If you do have a used laptop or PC, whatever you possibly do, and we want to make use of that. And how we're going to do it is to set up online learning center like this in particular village. Like this, we can do it in other places as well. There will be one studio center where the teachers actually will be there teaching it, and then we're going to connect them through to this center, and like this we can connect to a lot many other centers. But for us to make this happen, and we currently have around 50 computers as a first batch of donation, and we will be getting that somewhere in October. Most of them came from Australia and Canada, and we're looking for more supports. So if you do have, or if you do know someone, and by the way, a lot of our the donation came from IT background people, like IT, and it could be individual, but if you know someone in the IT field and they might be interested, or if they have, if they're just upgrading their system in their business, in their workplace, in schools, wherever and if they want to donate it, that would be great. And we can obviously, we can show what we have done with that, and any documents that you need, we can provide it. So we want to make as many of building like this, and I will actually do a second video once I'm done with this, like once this place is converted into an online learning platform. I will do a second video about it, and I will provide more update about it. So so my kind request at the moment is, if anyone do have used items, which is a laptop, PC, smartphone, tablet, that you are willing to donate, please contact me. And there's also, I will also list all the contacts details for each country where we're collecting it at the moment, which is Australia, New Zealand, UK and Canada. In any other countries, if you guys are interested in doing anything, please contact us, and I will put more details in my YouTube channel, plus in my in the Facebook page. By the way, this project is done by Tamil Resource Center, but we also working with all the organizations around the world to get us this support to make this possible, to make this happen. By the way, we also looking for English teachers who can teach English, who's actually teaching at some school in any countries and willing to support us. Let us know as well. So thank you so much. I'm so excited about this. Please support us, and if in any way, that could be just donating a laptop or used PC, whatever, or even if you want to help us social media, building a website, teaching online courses, that could be coding, computer, typing, anything, any way that you guys want to get involved, support us, let us know. I'm more than happy to get you guys and put you guys in the right place. Thank you, and we'll see you with the next video.